So I'm just recording. The police helicopter has circled by twice now. Let's see if he circles again. I can hear him. He's in this direction somewhere. He's already circled twice right over the tent area. And let's see if he does it again. Here he comes. You can see him. Here he comes. He's gonna circle right over top of me. Look at that. There he is. There's nothing going on around here. He's just circling over top of me. Does this on a regular basis. I've posted several videos of this behavior on a regular basis. See how often he does it. They've been very upset that I won't do what they say. They've been trying to tell me that I need to get out and I need to do this and need to do that, and damn, he's coming again and again. Look at this. Guess they don't care about YouTube no more. Look at him. Yeah. Very upset. They were messing with the phone earlier, like they kept messing with the downloads, and they kept, for some reason, the battery kept heating up on the phone and making it so it wouldn't charge, and just doing stuff like that over and over and over again. Now they're whining to me, saying that I need to leave. This is a police helicopter, by the way. Oh. Oh. Well, I guess here's your proof of gang stalking. No such thing as gang stalking. But as you can see, lately there's been some people like posting comments on the YouTube channel, and I don't really get into verbal arguments with anybody about this type of stuff, but they've been saying silly things like, oh, it's not happening, it's not doing anything. And you know, the one comment that I have to say about a lot of that stuff is that you know and I know what's really going on. So what's the problem? Do you have a mental problem or something where you can't admit it, or that you want me to think that it's not happening? Well, maybe I think that they wanted me to think that it's not happening, and then I just showed this video, and this shows that there's some stalking going on by police officers. So there you go. He ran off. I heard him actually say something like, "Fine," and then he ran off. Bye.